If you're new here and you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Before we dive deeper into today's video topic, I just want to take a quick second to ask you to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss any of the exciting content we have planned.
Forget everything you think you know about picturesque landscapes. Forget the clichés. Prepare to be captivated by Ireland, a land where ancient myths intertwine with modern marvels, where rolling green hills meet crashing Atlantic waves, and where the warmth of the people rivals the beauty of the scenery. This isn't just a travel guide, it's an immersion into the heart and soul of a nation steeped in history, brimming with vibrant culture, and ready to steal your heart. Join us as we embark on a journey through the Emerald Isle, exploring its breathtaking beauty, its rich history, and the spirit of its incredible people. Ireland's story begins long before recorded history. Thousands of years ago, ingenious builders erected monumental passage tombs like Newgrange and Knowth, structures older than the pyramids of Egypt. These ancient sites, part of the Brú na Bóinne complex, whisper tales of sophisticated civilizations and celestial alignments, hinting at a deep connection to the land and the cosmos. Explore the intricate carvings, imagine the rituals performed within, and marvel at the enduring legacy of a people who left an indelible mark on the Irish landscape. The Celts, with their vibrant culture and intricate artistry, shaped Ireland for centuries. Their legacy is woven into the very fabric of the nation. From the iconic Celtic knots found adorning ancient artifacts and modern jewelry, to the towering high crosses that dot the landscape, their influence is undeniable. We'll delve into the myths and legends, the complex social structures, and the enduring artistic traditions that have shaped the Ireland we know today. Ireland's history is a tapestry woven from conquest and rebellion, from periods of prosperity and hardship. Majestic castles stand as silent witnesses to centuries of drama, their stone walls echoing with the sounds of past battles and courtly intrigue. From the imposing walls of Dublin Castle to the romantic ruins of Trim Castle, we will explore the stories behind these magnificent structures and the pivotal roles they played in shaping Ireland's destiny. Prepare to be awestruck by the wild Atlantic Way, a 2,500-kilometer coastal drive that showcases some of the most dramatic scenery on Earth. Jagged cliffs plunge into the tumultuous Atlantic, picturesque villages cling to the coastline, and the wind whispers tales of ancient seafarers and legendary heroes. We'll explore hidden coves, dramatic headlands, and breathtaking vistas, experiencing the raw power and untamed beauty of the Irish coast. The Ring of Kerry, a breathtaking circular route through County Kerry, offers a microcosm of Ireland's natural beauty. Towering mountains rise from emerald valleys, sparkling lakes reflect the clear sky, and charming villages offer a glimpse into traditional Irish life. We'll explore the stunning landscapes, encounter friendly locals, and discover the hidden gems that make this route a highlight of any Irish adventure. Legend says giants built the Giant's Causeway, but the truth is even more fascinating. This extraordinary collection of interlocking basalt columns is a testament to the power of volcanic activity. We'll explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site, marvel at its unique geological formations, and consider the forces of nature that shaped this remarkable landscape. The soul of Ireland beats to the rhythm of its traditional music and dance. The lilting melodies of fiddles, the driving pulse of bowrons, and the captivating steps of Irish dancers paint a vivid picture of the nation's rich cultural heritage. We'll attend a traditional music session, experience the energy of a céilí, and discover the power of music to connect people across generations. No trip to Ireland is complete without experiencing its unique pub culture. These aren't just places to drink, they're community hubs, centers of storytelling, and havens of friendly conversation. We'll step inside some of Ireland's most iconic pubs, listen to traditional music, share stories with locals, and savor the warmth of Irish hospitality. Ireland bursts with life and color throughout the year, thanks to its vibrant festivals and celebrations. From the global spectacle of St. Patrick's Day to the vibrant energy of the Galway Arts Festival, we'll experience the joyous spirit of Irish celebrations and discover the unique traditions that make each festival a memorable event. While steeped in history, Ireland is a dynamic and modern nation. Its cities are thriving hubs of innovation and creativity, blending historical charm with cutting-edge technology. We'll explore Dublin, Galway, and other vibrant cities, discovering their modern attractions, their cosmopolitan culture, and their forward-looking spirit. The true heart of Ireland lies in its people, welcoming, friendly, and with a delightful sense of humor. We'll meet the locals, learn about their lives, and discover the warmth and generosity that make Ireland such a special place to visit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Join our community by subscribing. You'll be the first to know about new videos, and you'll help us create even better content for you.